Hi, this is Jane and welcome to my kitchen. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Are you getting ready for that special day with that special someone? Well, I have got an idea for you that I'm going to pass on to you. What I'm doing is a buttery, garlicky flavored scallop. So I'm going to show you what I did. I put some butter and some olive oil in the pan and we're going to sear the scallops. Now what I did with the scallops is I washed them off and then I patted them dry with a paper towel, and then I just lightly seasoned them with salt and pepper. And like I said, what I'm going to do is pan sear these, cook them on one side, and then I'm going to flip them over and let them brown on both sides. My scallops are done, so I'm just going to take them out and get them on a separate plate. Now I'm going to add some minced garlic. Okay, my next step is I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to add some water and a little white wine. I'm going to add some salt. And I love cayenne pepper just because it gives it a little zip, and I love a little extra spice. And now I'm just going to mix this together. I'm going to add my scallops back into the sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit of fresh parsley, give it a little color, and then I'm going to add a little fresh lemon. My last step to my Valentine's Day dinner was to make some thin spaghetti. I put that on a plate, and then what I did is I took my scallops with the sauce and I poured it all over the top, and it absolutely looks elegant. But I'm not finished. I want a side salad, right? So what I did, and again, wait till you see how easy this one is. All I did was I put baby spinach on a plate, and I'm going to add some beets to it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mandarin oranges to it. All I did was make my own dressing, and what I did is I added 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of orange juice and just whipped it together. And all I'm going to do is to drizzle this over the top of it. And of course, I have to share with you my absolute, and I mean this is my absolute favorite wine. It's called Federalist, and it's a Zinfandel. Last but not least, you always have to have dessert, right? Especially for Valentine's Day. Our bakery departments do such an awesome job at decorating, and I just want to start off with the cookies. Perfect item to pick up, bring to work, share with your sweetheart, share with a friend, just to wish them happy Valentine's Day. The other thing that I think is absolutely awesome are the I love you cakes, and they design them, they'll even design them the way you want it. If there's something on there that you want written on there, they'll do that for you to make it personable. Next is the 12-inch cookies. These are awesome too, to bring to that someone you just don't know what to get them. Everybody loves chocolate chip cookies. Heart-shaped cookies and spritz cookies. I mean, who wouldn't want to bring these home for Valentine's Day? Now these dream bars we carry year-round, but for Valentine's Day, on a special order, we'll put on the little Valentine's Day hearts, and all you have to do is ask. I want to wish you a very happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy, have fun with your honey, and we'll see you in a few weeks.